Come for pineapple and mint tea.
Cucumber and what?
Pineapple and mint.
Ooh, that's.
Hey y'all, it's tea time with CJ and Cori.
I'm just too nervous to brew in this one. It feels so thin. I know it's supposed to be made for it, but it's too beautiful. So I'm gonna brew the tea in here and let it cool and then put it in there. This is the mint that we grew with our arrow garden. We used some and then I wanted to grow other stuff in there and I was just like, I'm gonna see if it just keeps growing in water. And I moved it to this other container and it's still growing. So I'm gonna snip some off for our mint tea today. It smells so good. And it's growing like this because I moved it and the light was over this way, so it grew that way. Oh my gosh, it smells delicious. Making tea is a practice that makes you really just like slow down and enjoy the moments. I like to make it pretty. And I did warm this pineapple up some because I was nervous about it being cold. It was frozen pineapple and like, you know, the temperature changes. And I totally probably could have brewed in this one, but I was just too nervous. It's so delicate. Like, listen to the difference in the glass sound. Doesn't it sound so delicate? But it's so pretty, so we have to use it. Pineapple and mint tea.
Cucumber and what?
Pineapple and mint.
Ooh, that's. Look at this little.
I know, I thought they were super cute. I'll grab some coasters, hold on. Do you want a little lime juice in your cup?
Yes, please.
Okay, put a little bit or both.
This
almost makes it like a limeade. Let me get a little lime juice.
This warm. This is warm.
It's still warm?
This bumblebee is the mama bee because it has.
It might not, Oh! You can taste the mint. This is our mint that we grew.
Huh?
Yeah, I cut it off, look. I cut some off.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, and I can't even taste the mint.
You can taste it. So we're gonna sit here and enjoy our afternoon tea and chat and see y'all at the next tea time.
See ya.
Straight down the steps. Is that box empty? Could you put it over by the back door for me? Thank you, Mama.
You can have food.
I knew she was gonna offer me some.
Hey, girl. You ain't giving no hug or nothing. Wow.
I'm gonna take one for the kids.
Yeah,
Okay.
because it's gonna be.
Oh no, you want to take a whole sandwich? That's a waffle chicken in the middle. Oh lordy. Y'all want me to add powdered sugar? Chicken will get a little on it too, but that's alright.
That chicken is going to be so good. That looks so good.
It's so good. Here, watch your hand, Mama.
Watch your hand.
Watch your hand, baby.
I just ate some sugar. I hurt my
You ate some
nose.
sugar?
Yeah. That sugar is really sweet. Why is sugar so sweet?
It's hot. You want some
Wait,
ice?
can I have some ice?
Yeah.
Me too. I want some ice in it. Okay. This tea is really good.
CJ